What if you had a product launch just ready to go? All of it. The products, the implementations, the sales pages, the sales emails, the integrations, the tech on the back end, all of it ready to go at the push of a button. So 6 months from now, you'd be like, I haven't actually launched anything or sold anything to my audience in a while. My email list has grown by 300 more people or whatever. Like, oh, I should do another flash sale. Well, what if you just click one button and have it done? And not only that, but what if you could automatically segment your audience as you do this sale or launch or whatever, to make sure you're not pitching people twice, to make sure you're not pitching people who have already bought the product or bundle or whatever it is. Like, what if you could just take all those precautions in mind with a click of a button? An on-demand automated launch. Be like, oh, I think I want to sell something this weekend. Boom, one button and you're done. You can do that. And I'm going to build that right now for me. And to give you a little bit of the backstory as I do this, I'm literally just going to walk through this. So this is going to be a longer video, just an FYI. I have this automation, which has like 150, 200 people in it. And this was all free stuff. And I've got some nurture emails in here. Some people are at different stages of the funnel, and then I don't have anything. And this is just an exit. And I was like, well, this would be a great place to just present an offer to people. So rather than put it in this automation for this one specific thing, I was like, oh, I'm going to put it in a different automation that I can reuse for other funnels. If somebody opts in for this other freebie or this other freebie or whatever that may be, I want to be able to reuse this launch sequence, this sale. I'm going to do a flash sale, actually, now that I think about it. And so I'm going to do that. And now I'll have this going forward. I'll just have the sales sequence there. I can implement it however I want. So I wrote down some to-do lists here. For me, this isn't like a to-do list. If you were to go do this, you would probably have a little bit more. But this is like the basic steps. So the first thing I'm going to do is create the shell automation. So I'm just going to do that right now. I am going to do a product bundle of 1 hour blog posts, the bump offer, which is lightning writing. So 1 hour blog post is $27. This is like a test coupon. Ignore that. The lightning writing offer is $37. And then the upsell after this page is content everywhere, which is like discounted down to $100. It's usually like a couple $100. I'm going to do the entire thing for like a 24-hour flash sale, $49. All three of those products. And step one, I'm going to go ahead and do this automation right here. So I'm going to do start from scratch. I am going to leave the trigger blank on this particular one. I'm in ActiveCampaign, of course. Start without a trigger, just because I'm going to add people to this like manually. So the first thing I always do, just to keep things from being blank, this is really weird, but I wait for 5 minutes. It sounds silly, but this is like just a thing I do. All right, and at the very end, I'm going to go ahead and add end this automation. Up here, I'm going to rename this. This is going to be the 1 hour bundle. 1 hour bundle, $49. Let's just put that in there. Can't type. Where's my 9? There it is. 1 hour bundle, $49. Or yeah, okay, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, Pete. All right. So the first thing I want to do is I want to do a check, and I want to see if they purchased 1 hour blog post before. If they have, or more specifically, I might do content everywhere. Tag. Let's actually create I got an idea. Let's create tags first. If they purchased this bundle, et cetera, et cetera. So I am going to go in here. I'm going to create purchased. I always do my tags this way. Purchased hyphen. This is going to be 1 hour bundle 49. And I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm going to actually copy this right here. Add that tag. I'll need that when I go into actually implementing this. So I'll need that in just a minute. So now I have that bundle, and I think I'll do a check right here. If else, let's first do this one. Tag exists. If they have this tag, purchased 1 hour, 1 hour bundle 49. All right. If they purchase this, I just want them to leave. Do they have this tag? Yes. Okay. Well, we'll just kick them out of the automation. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. Put that. Oh, wait. No, that's not the right one. I want to end this automation. There we go. So if they have already bought the bundle, if they've already done this before, I'm just going to kick them out. So I'm going to check that tag right there. And this is kind of a decision for Pete if I want to do another one of these based on if they bought 1 hour blog post. I am going to say, no, I'm going to pitch them this if they have 1 hour blog post. Tag exists. Instead, I'm going to do content everywhere. Content, it should be purchase content everywhere. Well, yeah, That's fine. Or tag exists. It's because I have another offer in there. You saw that. Content everywhere. This is my own fault. I shouldn't really have to do this. Purchase upsell content everywhere. Or tag exists. I got more here. Contents everywhere. One-time offer. Okay, so I got 3 different tags they could have, which is actually frustrating. Actually, no, I don't. These all lead to this one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay. Sorry, I forgot I was adding this one tag for all of these. My bad. So I'm going to click add here. If this ever goes away, close. All right, so what's happening, I'm checking to make sure that they haven't bought this stuff before. If they've already bought content everywhere, I'm not going to send them this offer. If they've already got this bundle before, obviously I'm not going to send them this offer. So if yes, blah, blah, blah. If yes, they get kicked out. And I could actually probably have put those in one step, but whatever. End this automation. All right, so I'm going to eventually send emails right here. For now, I'm just going to do like a little placeholder, wait 5 minutes. And I am going to update a custom field right here. And let's make sure I have this custom field. Has been pitched something, something, something. So if I go to, I think I could do this right there in the automation, but I'm not actually positive. Manage fields. I am going to, I think I have offer segmentation. I'm going to add a field that says has been pitched. This is the 1 hour bundle 49. There we go. Text input, general details. I'm going to put down here offer segmentation, add. So this is either going to be a yes or a no. When somebody comes through here, I want to keep track of the fact that I have pitched them. So I'm going to come in here and change that custom field to yes. I'm going to update a contact. This is going to be has been pitched. Is this in alphabetical order? Oh, there we go. Oh, I need to like refresh this page. All right. If I was doing this on my own and not actually recording a video, I'd be kind of skipping around to go a little bit faster, but I'll be honest with you, I'm not going to do that. Contacts, updated field. Has been pitched. 1 hour. I'm going to put yes, all lowercase. I don't know if that matters or not actually, but there we go. All right. So now they have been pitched. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a goal down here. If they purchase, I'm going to yank them out of this sequence right here. Bought 1 hour bundle 49. This doesn't matter. It's just for my preferences. And then when that tag is added, purchased XYZ, tag exists, purchased, and it was the bundle. Bundle. There you go. So if they purchase, they get yanked down. And when this is below, I'm going to continue anyways. Yeah. Because it's just going to be the last thing in the automation. Yeah, that should be it. I'm also going to update a custom field. Maybe they're being locked. So yeah, I don't like to send other broadcast newsletters. Like if I do this, I want to find locked. Maybe I don't have that created. I was using a tag. Okay, I'm not going to bother with that actually. All right, so I'll have some emails in here and then that'll be good to go. So let's skip ahead here and go back to my notes, create product, bundle, and Podia. So I already have these products. I am just going to create like a little bundle, new product. It's going to be a bundle. I'm going to call this the 1 hour bundle, create product. And so I'm going to give them 1 hour blog post. I'm going to give them lightning writing. I'm going to give them, should I throw in something else too? Let's throw in Elementor for bloggers, just for fun. Why not? I got it in there. I don't sell it anymore, like at all. Content everywhere. That's what I'm doing. Content everywhere. Cool. That's it. All right. So I got 4 products in the bundle. I'm going to hit publish here. I can, after adding content, I did add content. Details, 1 hour bundle, integrations. I'm trying to make sure I can publish this. Like, why can't I publish? Free, one-time payment. One-time payment of, this doesn't matter. I'm just going to like put this in here because I'm not actually going to be charging people this right here. Done. Oh, I see. That's why I couldn't do it. Publish now. Publish now. All right. So it's done. 4 products, yada, yada. I also want to make sure it's not like visible. I don't want availability. There we go. I'm going to make this invisible. Status access. Access is open, available for draft, not visible nor available for purchase. Visibility, not visible on product list. There we go. Hidden. There we go. All right, so that's done. I can like check that out. Create product in Thrivecart. So I'm going to need this for deadline funnel. I could point people here and do like a coupon code. That actually sounds a lot harder than literally just duplicating a thing. And actually, I'm just going to create one from scratch. So I'm going to create one, create new product here in Thrivecart. This is going to be the 1 hour bundle. And I'm going to put that here. I'm going to go to next. I'm going to set a target price. It's going to be $49. Trial period, none. Unlimited quantity, 49. One-time payment, allow one purchase at a time. Done. Okay. And moving on. A bump offer? No, I do not. I'm going to choose my Stripe and PayPal account. I'm going to save that. Go to next. Affiliates? No. Support email. Enter in my email there. Oh, that did not work. There. Display their total invoice. Yes, this is what I want to do. And I'm going to send them their products through email, so that doesn't matter. Type, design, launch, editor. Here we go. I'm actually going to maybe come back to this in a minute. This is going to be my sales page right here. But for now, oh my gosh, there's like nothing here. I'm going to come back to this. Because I actually want to make this like my thing. Next. Success page, I do want to update right now. I can go ahead and put in a heading right here. Basically just saying, check your email. Woot woot. You grabbed the bundle. Thanks a bunch. Now go check your email, my friend. That's where I'm sending your goodies. Not googies. I don't know what that is. Goodies. And then I'm going to make this all centered right here. Whoa, what happened here? Not sure. Do that. Yep. Save. I'm going to actually highlight this just to make sure people see it. This line right here. Highlight. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's go with like that. Save. That's off brand, but whatever. Now, oh, that's actually really dark. Sorry, let's not do that. There we go. Okay, save. Cool, perfect. This part I do no. Shows the total, done. Okay, so I'm gonna come back and edit the sales page in a minute. I'm not actually gonna make it super fancy, not a lot of copy, but yada. Facebook, Google, I'm not doing any of that. I don't really care. Add rule. I want to add them to the list to even blog. I'm gonna send them their products here on in an automation. ActiveCampaign, I want to add them to the tag, existing tag. This is going to be purchased, the bundle. Purchased. Tell me if you see it. Oh gosh, what is it? 1 hour. Oh, it's 1 hour bundle. Okay. Save. All right. So that is technically done. And now we have a page. Let's just see what it looks like. Obviously, there's going to need more stuff here. It's still in the sandbox mode, but here is the URL. And that's what I really wanted right here. Implement deadline funnel. Okay. So I'm actually just going to copy this. This is where it's going to come. I'm going to go into my deadline funnel account and create a campaign really quick. Enter in my email. I am going to do a new campaign. I'm going to call this the 1 hour bundle. Category 1 hour blog posts. That's fine. I'm not doing any of that. But I am doing Thrivecart. I think we're good there. I'm going to click next. Let's see if I can move this out of the way just for a minute. Email sequence. Yeah, let's just use this. Cool. Custom field where I want to store their deadline. Oh, I forgot about this. Let's go do a new field up here. Add field. This is going to be 1 hour. 1 hour bundle deadline. And I am going to do this in general details, I guess. Webinars. I don't know. Let's just do general details. Doesn't matter. 1 hour bundle deadline. So if I click this, well, I have to refresh this. 1 hour. Yeah, I'll have to refresh. Let's go back. Let's go next. Let's see if I can get that 1 hour bundle. Oh, come on. Oh, something went wrong over here in ActiveCampaign. 1 hour bundle deadline. Let's make sure this works. Refresh the page. 1 hour bundle. Next, use template. Come on. I know you can work. I think it's going to work this time. I have good faith. 1 hour bundle deadline. There it is. Cool. Copy this webhook. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do that back here in the automation. Right before I pitch, which is going to be right here. Conditions, webhook. Copy that in there. Hit save. Done and done. Okay. Going back. I did that. Copy. Next. How many days? I'm going to do what? What should we do here? Like, I don't know. 2 days? 1 day? Let's just do 2 days. Let's do 2. 2 days, 11:59. So if they start tracking on Monday at 10 a.m., it'll be Wednesday. So I want to do like, that's not right. Number 2, let's just do 1 day. 1 day. 10 a.m., it'll be the next day at 11:59. Yeah, that's it. So 1 day, but then at midnight. So if they opt in on a Monday, or if I send the email on a Monday, they'll have till Tuesday night. And if they opt in on a Tuesday at 7 p.m., deadlines will be yada yada. Okay, I think this is good. I think that's good. Next, pages. So I got to go back and get my page right here, copy URL, go back in my deadline funnel, put that in there. After that, I'm going to redirect to, I want to do like an offer expired thing, but let's just do the homepage for now. Maybe I can come back and change that. Yeah, I'm not sure. Finish. Okay. So I do need to enter in the tracking page. So I want to set this up with Thrivecart. I am going to, I think it's right here, tracking code. Copy. Let's go to my thing here. I'm going to edit, and then I'm going to go to tracking over here, checkout, tracking, custom, all pages. I think that will do it. Just adding in this so I actually see the thing. And I'm actually going to turn this just to live. We might test it in a minute, but I just want to do that. And let's view this page. View checkout. All right, so this is working. 1 day, 14 hours. Yeah, I feel like this is good. All right, so it's working, technically. There we go. I want to edit the timer really quick. Appearance. This is going to be the floating bar. I don't want a button. Get rid of the button. Floating bar, inline timer, email timer, portal. That's just a floating bar. That's fine. Templates, color palette, presets. I don't really care that much. Bold. That's fine. That's green. All right. Content. Call to action. Nope. And I want to, let's say this bundle expires. This bundle, why can't I type right now? I see it's like a limit. This bundle offer expires, and then we'll do that. Expires on Sunday, blah, 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 blah. And then I'll do grab it quick. That's cool. Call to action. All right, so I'm good here. It's kind of ugly, but whatever. Placement at the bottom, that is fine. Presets, settings. I think this is good. Save options, do that. Okay, so if I come here and hit refresh, this should look green. All right, we're good. This here, there's no thing. Okay, so that's good. I got my bundle. One thing I'm just going to go ahead and do is create a Zap. I'm going to do a Zap to actually implement this, right, and send their thing. So I'm going to log in my Zapier account, and you know what? I'll just do one from scratch. Let's just do it from scratch. Create Zap. And I will choose Thrivecart. When somebody purchases a product, hit continue. I'm going to sign into my account, which it's already done. Product would be the bundle, 1 hour bundle. Pricing, any coupon code. Okay, that's good. And I don't have a test so far. Let's do that right now. So I'm going to come back and do the emails in a second, but first let's edit the checkouts. And I'm not going to do a ton of sales copy right now, maybe just a tiny bit. But I will do, don't I have an image with, like I'm looking for a mock-up or a graphic or something like that. 1 hour blog post assets, add creative, content everywhere. Like I know I have this 1 hour blog post. Maybe I'll just put 3 of them on there. I got mock-ups. All right, so let's do that. So this is contact info. Let's go with, have a coupon code. Yeah, this is right. Contact info. I want first and last name. I want customer address, like abbreviated, United States, state, zip code, custom fields, show terms and conditions. I will link to my legal page where I always outline refund policies and stuff. I'll do that. Agree to the terms and conditions. Hit continue. Show section titles. Okay, so that's good. All right, right up at the top, I want to do a heading, and I'll put it right up here. 1 hour bundle. I'll put 1 hour blog post mega bundle. That sounds stupid. I'm well aware. All right, font size a little bit bigger. Line height a little bit bigger. Okay, done. Now I want to do just one mock-up, maybe an image, and I'll put it right there. And I already have some here. That's interesting. What about this one? Content everywhere. Like I kind of want all those in one little graphic. Should I do that really quick? This will take me like 2 minutes. Yeah, let's do this. All right, I'm going to Canva. I'm going to create a design. I want to do 1000 by 800-ish. Wait, custom size. Oh, 1000 by 800. Let's do that. 1000 by 800. It's going to have this mock-up right here. This is 1 hour blog post. 1 hour blog post. It's going to have my content everywhere. Do I have a lightning rating one? I can't remember. Content mock-up big. Let's do that. There's gonna be a lot of mock-ups here. It's so funny. And then lightning writing. I don't think I have anything for that. Maybe I do. Add creative. Lightning writing. Hey, look at that. Let's do this one. Cool. Let's make this the big one. Well, let's put it right in the middle here. And then let's make this one down here. That one looks pretty good. Maybe like half the size here. This one's like super wide. Let's do this one at the top. Cool. And let's make it like take up a bunch more room here. Okay. That seems pretty good. It's ugly, but whatever. It doesn't matter, right? No one cares? No one cares. I've decided. No one cares. There's that one. There's that one. And there's that one. Let's do this. And I think we're going to be good here. That's good. Let's download this with a transparent background. Compressed file size, PNG download. This is going to be the 1 hour bundle mockup. 1 hour bundle mockup. There's my cat trying to get in the window behind me, which I'm not going to let you in. Sorry, cat. 1 hour bundle mockup. And I'm actually just going to save this in the 1 hour blog post assets. I'm just going to put it in there. Save. Cool. So this is good. This is good. If I go back over here, we'll close that. I am going to upload an image. Let's grab this. 2AB docs, 1 hour blog post assets. All right. So there's the bundle. It's super ugly, but whatever. Do that. Use image. All right, there it is. It's really ugly. Oh my goodness. All right, bullet points. Bullets. This is like the extent of my sales page, by the way. Like I'm not gonna do much more than this. Lifetime access to 1 hour blog post. All the templates. Airtable bonuses. What's the other bonus? I don't remember. There's more. And more. Lifetime access to lightning writing. Lifetime access to content everywhere. And bonuses. Okay. Have a coupon code. I'm not doing coupon codes, so I'm actually going to hide that. Total. There's no bump offer. So this is literally a 1 hour blog post, mega bundle. I have a mock-up here, which is ugly. Lifetime access to 1 hour blog post, lifetime access to lightning writing. And then I'm going to do just a little bit of text right here. And I'm going to put down, let's do retail. These 3 products cost over $300. Actually, it's over like $600. Cost over $600. Though I sometimes discount them down to around $200. That's like 400. 400 to 500. I think it's definitely over 500 or $600 if you were to buy them all separately. Let's just say that separately. These products cost over $500. Grab them here for a massive discount and watch your content productivity and traffic skyrocket. Create better content way faster and with fewer brain cells. And then learn how to use systems and automations to put promoting your content on autopilot. Okay, that's good. That's like enough. 1 hour bundle. Got this. Okay, so I'm good here, right? Credit card, payment, etc. It's ugly, but it gets the job done. Complete. All right, now I can go through here and purchase one. So if I go through and I say save get URL, I am going to, let's edit product settings. Let's do a test one. Let's see if it works. Test mode. And then I am going to view checkout. I'm going to enter in my first name. I'm going to agree to the terms. I'm going to do copy card number, fake card number for testing. I'm going to do complete order. Now, mostly what I'm doing this for is to A, make sure it goes to the right page, but also B, to set this up right here. So this is going to take forever because Thrivecart is really slow. Got this. All right. Now I should be able to come in here and go test trigger. And hopefully it pulls something through. It did. Actually, this is a separate product, but whatever, that'll work. And then I want to enroll them in the Podia courses that they are paying for here. Choose an event, enroll a customer in a product, choose my Podia account, and then I'm going to do the 1 hour bundle. Email. I need this part, customer's email, and then first name. Gotta go ahead and do that. Last name, I don't know if I need this or not, but let's do that. Anyways, send registration email, yes. Okay, this is good. I'm going to skip the test on this particular one. And for now, I think that's going to be it. I'm going to turn this on. So now when they actually make the purchase, they'll be good to go. I do want to rename this. I'm going to put this 1 hour bundle. Rename the Zap there. This is done. It's active. It's on. They will actually get their products. They'll get the registration email. That's good to go. Now, deadline funnels, anything else? I think I'm good here. I think I'm good. Let's go back here. Let's turn this to edit product settings. Let's make it live. Do that. And I think the only thing to do here is actually to sell it, to send emails, right? I'm going to come back here. Refresh this page. So that is doing we'll do sales tracking. We'll do testing. I got pages. I want to do sales tracking. Quick start. Sales tracking. Set up sales tracking. Setup. Cool. And I will go to 1 hour bundle, people, delete, import. What's going on here? How do I do this? Tracking code. No. No. Campaigns. View all campaigns. 1 hour bundle. See, this is always the fun part, isn't it? Thrivecart. I want to do set up sales tracking. Yeah. Integration, super duper course, new integration. Why isn't that straightforward at all? Set up sales tracking. Mark complete, set up. This is going to take me to that other page. This is weird. Integrations, an unexpected error has occurred. Integrations, 1 hour bundle. Sales tracking. It says integrations, 1 hour bundle. ActiveCampaign. Deadline funnel tracking. Webhook URL. Copy. Okay. Edit. So this is good. Next. New integration. Sales tracking. I don't know why I had to do this. This is really not straightforward deadline funnel. That really sucks. Next. ActiveCampaign selected. Select. What value do you want to use? Oh, I see. 49. Why is there a 0 there? 49. Copy this. All right, now I have it. So after they purchase, if they purchase, I will add that webhook right there, which means I actually need to go and change webhook. There, that will produce a sale and that, which means I actually need to change this to make sure they just in the automation. I don't want that to trigger for literally everybody. Okay, so this is good. Now we are good. Don't know why that was an extra step in there, deadline funnel. It's your fault. Okay, but all that's good. Okay. All right. So I need to, maybe I'll wait I'm just going to have this be evergreen and send an email here. All right. So I'm just going to do this on the fly. Send an email, create an email. This is going to be email number 1, the bundle launch. Email 1, bundle launch. Cool. Awesome. And I will need to be grabbing those deadline funnel links, actually. Again, I'll always want to use the deadline funnel links rather than just link straight to the page. Go on in here, emails. Here we go. And also have the email timer code. That's a good one. Cool. I'm going to copy that one right there. And let's go with this. I'm almost done here, actually. Email subject. The 1 hour bundle is live. 2 days only. $49. I can come back and edit this later if I want to optimize copywriting or whatnot. For now, I'm just going to have the philosophy of just get it done. Just make sure it's good enough and working, right? All right, here we go. Hey, blog friends. Just a heads up. Well, let's do. I'm stoked. Well, let's do today. Today is your lucky day, my friends. Let's say, hey, blog friends. If you've ever wanted the whole creating content process to go faster, if you've ever dreaded creating a blog post because you said you would publish on Wednesdays, but it's Tuesday night and dang it, I need to finish. I need to finish the latest season of Stranger Things. Yeah. If you've ever felt a bit lost or overwhelmed when it comes to promoting your content, and repurposing content, today is your lucky day. For 48 hours only, I'm launching my top three productivity tools, resources, and courses, all in a $49 bundle. And this is what I'm going to do, introducing the 1 hour bundle. Produce better content faster. Oh wait, produce and promote better content way faster. Only $49. I'm going to repeat that price. All right, and so right there, I am going to introduce a graphic. I'm going to duplicate this, and that is going to be a headline right there. So I'm going to bold it, underline. We'll make this like 21 or so. Yeah, that's good. And let's go with an image here. I'm actually going to do this mock-up that I just had. 1 hour bundle mock-up. This is an ugly thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Background white. I'm going to make this like smaller. I don't know exactly how small, but let's do like 400. That's fine. Something like that. Here's what you get. Lifetime access to 1 hour blog post. Do copy there. Lifetime access to my mini training, lightning writing. And then I'm going to do a bolt of lightning. I thought it was a bolt. Lightning bolt. Electric bolt. All right, this is making me angry now. Where's my lightning bolt? Fucking hell. Lightning bolt. Lightning bolt. High voltage? No, that's not what it's called. Whatever, man. All right. Lightning writing. Do that in there. Lifetime access to my premium course on content promotion and repurposing. Content. Where is my caps lock? Content everywhere. Okay, so let's do a little bit of copywriting here. Lifetime access to 1 hour blog post. And actually, I'm just going to steal copywriting from like these pages, honestly. I'm just going to grab this and like literally copy it. And this is going to be a headline. Whoa, what is going on? There we go. Make this big. 21. Lifetime access to 1 hour blog post. Include. What a producing quality content would you need to burn up? 1 hour blog post, there's no need to stumble by. You'll have the tools. Over 1,000 creators have used 1 hour blog post in the past year. And I'm actually just going to like screenshot some of these social proof things. Yeah, I'm going to screenshot this stuff right here. Can I like zoom out? I wish I could zoom out. Some of these are like really good. Let's just throw in an image right here. Why not? This is gonna be like the main sales email, I guess. Let's duplicate this, and we'll delete that. We'll add an image right there. I will just throw in a testimonial. Let's actually make the background of this purple. Yep. And then let's go with. Let's center that. Let's add some padding in here. Yeah, and let's go with 422, a little bit bigger. There you go. Lifetime access to. All right, moving on. Lightning writing. Okay, and I'll probably just introduce another picture here. So there's that. This is a pro tip. I keep a Google Doc with all my testimonials for all my products. There's like this one place I know I can go in here and find testimonials from XYZ. I don't actually think I have any on lightning writing, which is why I'm here. I don't think I have any on lightning writing specifically. I don't. Because it's like I never sold it. It's just always just a bump offer. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Lightning writing included. Let's go with, that's weird. I should do this. Yep. Perfect. Oops. All right. How about this? And on this one, I will go to 1 hour. Let's go up at the top, click that, and just grab some of my copy right here. I've already written copy. I might as well do that. Want to see my blah, 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 blah. Let's just put that in there. The entire training takes less than an hour too, which is kind of what I want to highlight. Let's do this. Oh, my goodness. What on earth, man? Why does it do that? And it's not undoing. See, this is why I do not approve of ActiveCampaign in a lot of ways. I really don't. That's really frustrating. I want my formatting to work. 15? Is that what this is? Helvetica 14. Arial 15. I hate this. Okay, well, let's just call it Helvetica. Really frustrating ActiveCampaign. And then let's go down to 14. Did that work? What the hell is going on? Oh my gosh. It's so frustrating, right? Let's just try again to actually format an email here. ActiveCampaign. 14. Okay. Helvetica. Does that work? It looks fine. Gosh, that's frustrating. I don't need this sentence right here. I'm gonna like make this. Come on, select. All right. So this is good. Let's go ahead and duplicate this. Actually, I don't need to. I got it down here. Yep. And on this one, I am going to... Why is this not working? There we go. It didn't switch to Arial. It's so weird. Don't need this. Cool. And for this one, maybe I'll go to Podia and grab like a screenshot of the lightning writing course so they can see like behind the scenes. Lightning writing, view as customer. Cool. I'll like make this smaller for a minute. What if I just like squeeze stuff together there? My 9 rules, my 9-step process. Yeah, this will work. Table of contents. Let's do like just a little bit of that. That'll work. Right there. Save. Oh, save. All right, let's close that. Let's go back to the thing. Let's add in another image right there. And let's drag and drop this bad boy in there. Hopefully this works. Upload failed. Try again. All right. Let's... I bet it's too big. Let's do downloads folder. Downloads folder, I bet it's just too big. Tools, adjust size. 3, yes, that's way too big. 1200, 1.4 megabytes. I bet that's it. I'm hoping that's it. So let's do that. Let's try this again. Retry now. Try again later. No. What is going on? ActiveCampaign. Yeah, this is where Flowdesk just blows away ActiveCampaign, their email builder. And like, what is this? What's going on here now? Oh, I'm going to send this video to them and be like, wow, y'all guys, your stuff is like just so bad. The email builder is so bad. So this is like 422. This is okay. Let's put a purple background in there just for fun. And add a little bit of padding. Cool. All right. I'm going to like make sure this email saves. Nah, I just keep going. We're fine, right? Lifetime access to included. Okay, so I want to go to content everywhere. One-time offer. Just grab some copy here. Wait. content everywhere. This product will show you exactly a handful of templates. You know, oh, I'm wanting like, okay. Let's just copy and paste some stuff in here. I'm just gonna hit paste. Well, that pasted better than the last time, right? 1, 2, 3. Come on. Telling you what. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh my gosh. ActiveCampaign. 2 bonus trainings. Okay. And what do I got in here? Let's go with content everywhere. Content everywhere. Okay. Templates, GIF, CE Mobile, CE Mockup, Big GIF. I don't know what this is. PNG. Let's try a GIF. Let's just see what happens. Let's do another image here. And let's do this GIF. I have no idea what this is. Okay, so that changes slightly. Okay, so this is mostly useless. Maybe not. Let's change these to like 495 value, because that's what I charge for that. Retail, at least. This is 97 value. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, it's a $37. I was like, wait, that's not right. I don't charge that much for that. $37. This is a $27. $27 value. Cool. I really hope this image actually works. And let's add, let's duplicate this and let's move that down here. Okay. Awesome. Let's do like a little, I need a link, by the way. I haven't linked anything. Okay. Come on. This is the first time I've ever bundled these productivity resources courses in a low priced offer. Get all that for only $49. Click here to grab the 1 hour bundle for only $49 and start saving time and energy ASAP. This offer expires. This flash sale offer only lasts until, and then I am going to do the custom field. Can I do that? Until, and let's do the deadline. Right? Deadline. What was it again? It's something to do with bundle. Can I search? Wait, I saw it. 1 hour bundle deadline. Last until blah, 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 blah. I'll have to test this out and make sure it works. This flash sale offer, this offer lasts until, If you have any questions, let me know. I'll do, by the way, if you'd like to learn more about what each of these products is and let's do a click here to learn more about 1 hour blog post. Click here to learn more about content everywhere. I have never sold Lightning writing on its own, so it doesn't have a sales page. All right, and so I am going to actually link to 1 hour blog post right here. What on earth just happened? Please undo. Please undo. Why? Why? Where is my undo button? I'm hitting Command Z and it's not working. Undo. Oh my gosh. What on earth? Where? Hang on. This is really frustrating. Really frustrating here. I'm hitting undo. Undo. Oh my gosh. What on earth? At least this image is back. Oh my gosh. ActiveCampaign. Wait, where's the copy? Where's my redo button? Okay, I gotta pause this video. I'm super angry. All right, well, I lost all the content I just did because ActiveCampaign has the worst email builder out of any email service provider I've ever used, and I've literally used all of them. All of them. Name one, I've used it. Okay, so let's try this again. Gosh, this is so frustrating. This is the first time I've ever bundled these 3 courses for such a low price. Click here to grab the 1-hour bundle for only $49, for only $49, and start saving time ASAP. Okay. But grab it before, then I'm going to hit personalize, and this is going to be 1-hour bundle deadline. Go for it. And then I'm going to do PS. If you want to see all the details about what these products do for you, click here to learn more about 1-hour blog posts. Click here to learn more about content everywhere. Lightning writing doesn't have a sales page as it's not for sale anywhere. Okay, I'm going to click right here and let ActiveCampaign save. Hopefully. I really hope they saved. Let's try this again. I'm going to highlight this section right here. I'm going to try really hard. I'm going to hit the link button. No. Why is it doing that? It shouldn't have, it should just have, there you go. Thank you. 1-hour blog post. Wow, that's super annoying. Content everywhere. The retail page, I'm pretty sure is here. Yes. So I'm going to really try really hard to link here. Okay. Wow, that was really tough. Deadline funnels. I would like to copy this link right here. This is my sales page link. Click here to grab the bundle for only $49. I'm going to highlight that and hit this. Cool. And I am going to put some arrows in there. I'm also going to bold this. Okay. And I'm going to put it up here too. Top 3 productivity tools for $49. Introducing $1 bundle. And then I'm going to put a big button right here. Button that says, not click here. That's terrible. Link. Done. Background. Perfect. That's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. White background. And font size. Where can I? Oh. Click here to grab the bundle. And the text needs to be, oops. That's, why are these so hard? Like this looks so bad by default. I'm just saying. Margin, 0. Okay, this looks okay. And white text, I guess. Font, background color. Where's block, columns, button, font size? Well, this is incognito over here. ActiveCampaign, that's pretty bad. Click here to grab the bundle. And then, okay, so that's good. Hey, Black friends. So I got this link. It's linked there. I need to make this like red. Click here to grab the bundle. That's way better. Lifetime access to 1-hour blog post. I got text. I got social proof. Lifetime access to this. I got that. I got that. I got that. And this is that. Next. Oof, that took way too long. Mostly just formatting, really. Like all the sales content went in like 3 minutes. Whatever. Hey, 2 days only, $49. 1 hour blog post. Let's put in my product names right here, just because I think 1 hour blog post has like a little bit of recognition. Let's say 1 hour blog post, lightning writing. I was gonna do that. Lightning writing, content. My top 3 tools, resources, and courses. Massive discount. Let's just put that in there. Let's click next. All right, so this is good. So I think I'm going to be done with this video now because that's it. I might write one more email. I don't think I'm going to do that live on this video. Maybe even 2 more emails. One the next day and then the next afternoon or evening, like a last call for the bundle sort of thing. You know what I did do though, or I didn't do? I forgot to include the deadline funnel timer, and I'm just do that just to test it out. So I would probably do I would wait a day. I would wait like a day, wait 1 day, and then I'd probably send another email, which I'll put right there, and then I'll probably wait like 8 hours ish, like 8 hours, and then I'll send another email. And that'll be the last one. And then I'll probably give people, I will wait like 6 days, 7 days. Well, they're not going to be able to buy it for that long. Let's do like a nice little 4 days. And then I'll kick people out if they haven't bought, right? This is the people who have not bought. I'll just keep them in there. So I'll do an email there, and then I'll do a last call email here. I'm going to do that off video. I'm not going to do that right now. But this is done. I'm going to hit activate. Make sure it's active. I am going to do the email timer really quick, and maybe I'll send myself a test email, but that's really it. And so HTML code, I want this centered. That, copy to clipboard. I think I need to do appearance. This is the floating bar email timer. Where's that email timer? There we go. Okay, so this is bad. Template. Let's do this one. I like this one. Let's do that. Save selection. Colors, I want to do red. That's good, right? I think that's good. Continue. Save and exit. And I want to make this center justified. Click to copy that. Let's go back to the email. And should I put it at the top? Or put it like right here? Oh, I'm going to put it like right here. Yes, I'm going to put it right there. So let's put an HTML thing, HTML block right there. I hope this works. Whoa, did I do that? Yes. Save. And then I will make this have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white background. I think this is good. And now I can delete that. I think this is good, right? It has a weird thing around it. Let's click here, margin 0. I could do a little bit of padding, but I could also just do this. A little bit of space there. That looks good. This I'm going to make way smaller, 422. And let's center that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this weird space thing here. Why is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's white. There we go. So now I got a little bit of thing here. Click here to grab the 1 hour bonder for only $49. I think we're good here. I do need to test that, what's it called? The deadline to make sure it works. But other than that, we are good here. This is great. So let's go and look at what we have here. So right now, oh, this is 1 hour bundle 49. 5 minutes. And then this happens. So right now I have an automation. This is, I'm concluding this video. Right now I have an automation that pitches a evergreen, time sensitive, because I'm using deadline funnels, urgency, bundle of products, a very small one, $49. And when someone comes in here, first I'm going to make sure they haven't bought the bundle before. If they have, I'm going to kick them out. I'm also going to make sure they haven't bought like content everywhere, but I still want people who've only gotten 1 hour blog posts for $27. This is still a good deal for them because they're getting my repurposing course, which could make them a lot of money and bring them a lot of traffic, which is usually several $100, getting it really discounted for a very short time. But if they already have content everywhere, they don't need that at all. So I'm going to kick them out. So when they come in here, They're going to wait 5 minutes. I could probably delete that at this point, but whatever. I'm going to change the contact field, a custom field that says they have been pitched this bundle before, just so I can check. And if I wanted to in the future, by the way, if I didn't want to pitch these people again, I could add another check here, or I could just probably add it to one of these as a different condition to check whether or not that custom field is a yes. If it's a yes, maybe I don't pitch them. Maybe I kick them out. Or maybe I have different language. Like, hey, I know that I did this last year, but you need to grab it this time or something. Or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I just kick them out. For now, I'm not going to worry about that. But yeah, because I might do the same offer again and they might be ready at a different time. So it doesn't matter. But I want that data. So I want to know that they've been pitched. I got a webhook that goes to deadline funnels, which triggers their 2-day thing. I have an email that goes out right then. And you know what actually might be a better use? If I moved this down right there. I want to move single action. Move to new. So in all following actions, move single action. All right, so now that it posts the webhook, and then I just give them 5 minutes just to make sure that this goes through okay with deadline funnels, and then I send the email because I'm using that timeline, that timer in the email. I'm going to wait a day because it's a 2-day thing. I'll send one more email in the following morning. I'll write that here in a little while. Wait 8 hours, and then I'll send a last chance thing right here. And if they buy at any point, they get yanked down here. They get a sale tracking code and deadline funnels just so I can see it in deadline funnels, and then they get kicked out. And what I need to do, by the way, is go ahead and add, I could even do it right here. Just add one email that makes sure they get access to their product, right? So I'll probably do, and then if they don't buy, they just get kicked out right here in this automation. Okay, that needs to be right. Yeah, I'll do one more email that actually delivers their product. It's going to be delivered through a Podia email as well, but I want to make double sure that they actually get what they signed up for. So I'll probably just add that right here. In the 1 hour bundle, I'll be like, hey, you should have access to everything at courses.doevenblog.com. You should have received a separate email from Podia to set up your password, yada, yada. And so now I can just add this. Wait, why is that giving me that? Why? Oh my gosh. There's nothing to save. Like we're done. It's active. Why would that happen? Oh, that's so nerve-wracking. Also, I just realized I'm like really small over here. There we go. Oh, I don't know. Let's just go back here. I really hope this saves ActiveCampaign. I'll be angry if I just did an hour's worth of work. 1 hour bundle. I think we're good. So nerve-wracking. Their automations are so powerful, yet they are really frustrating. Okay, about to get mad, but here it is. Okay, so we're good. I need to update that. So now, whenever I want to put people through a 48-hour flash sale, I just literally put them in here. And I could literally do this at the click of a button with my entire email list. Let's say I had 10,000 people on my email list, and I'd be like, I don't want to send a weekly newsletter. Maybe I'll just do a flash sale. Well, I'd probably just do it with a tag, or I would come in here to like contacts, and I would grab all of them, and I would just add them to that automation. I'm pretty sure you could do that like that. Depending on your email provider, it might be a little bit different. You could do this sort of thing in ConvertKit, by the way, or MailerLite. Not so much. You could do it in Flowdesk. It might be a little less complicated and powerful, but you could still do stuff like this. You could create an automation just to have in your back pocket. And so this is taking forever. I'm not sure why it's so slow. But I'm also going to go back into that first funnel that I had where people are just waiting. Like I have 154 people waiting. And I'm just going to do this. Wait for 7 days. And then I am going to send them in that automation. Start an automation. And then I'm going to do the 1 hour bundle for $49. Apply, save, and I'm good to go. So no matter what happens in there, they're actually going to come back into this one, wait for a day, and then I'm going to kick them out. They're going to be good. So these people are going to be next week. It's going to happen like right there. Wait 7 days. And I would probably even do wait until a morning. Wait until a Monday morning. I'll probably just do like a Monday morning. In fact, something else I could do. I'm just getting into the weeds here. In a 1 hour bundle. I'm going to leave it as this for now. And what I could do is send a pre-launch email, like a heads up on a Friday. Like, hey, on Monday, I'm going to be doing this little bundle. So get ready for it. Like a pre-launch thing That's actually a really smart idea. I should probably do that. So here's how I would do it. I'd probably do this I'll probably do it over here rather than in the other automation. Yeah, I would. I would probably wait until Friday. I would send one email. I think, yeah. This is what I would do. So I would wait until, wait until specific conditions. So it's going to be a Friday, day of the week. Current day of the week is Friday. I'm probably just going to do all these in Eastern time. Current day of the week is Friday, and time is 8 a.m. And time. Current time, my time zone. Current time is 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. Doesn't matter. 8 a.m. Save. And then I will send another email. No time limit. Doesn't matter. So whenever they come in here, they might have to sit in this step for a couple of days, but I want to make sure I'm pitching people on the right day of the week. So that is going to be, it's going to wait until Friday, and then I'm going to send another email right here. And then I always do this. Instead of waiting directly till Monday, I always wait like 4 hours just to like make sure that things are like flowing correctly. Wait 4 hours, and then I'm going to wait until the day of the week. Again, wait until day of the week as Monday morning at like 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. or something. Day. Current day of the week in Eastern time is Monday. And then I'm going to do another time for like 6, 7 a.m. whenever I want to send the email. And current time is America time zone. Time is, I'm going to send it at like 6 a.m. super early. Okay. Save. And then I'm going to do the deadline funnel. And then 5 minutes later, it's going to kick off the launch email. So I have 3 emails that I need to write and put in here. They're going to be really easy. They're not going to be as complicated as that one was. A pre-launch email, maybe I'll include the graphic and just some brief details about what the offer includes and the price, and I'm going to put it right there. And then on Monday, they're going to wait 4 hours, and then they're going to wait until the current day of the week is Monday, and current time is 6 a.m., and then we're going to do that, wait, fire off the emails, and then we're good to go. So I'm going to do those 3 emails, and then I'll be done, and I will have this in my back pocket and automatically functioning to send this offer. So I hope this was an interesting YouTube video for you. If you're still watching, kudos to you. This is not easy. This is super easy to set up. No, of course not. But it is simple and it is powerful. Just to have this in your back pocket. If you ever want to take a week off and you want to sell a product, just be like, select all your subscribers and put them in this thing. Maybe you have to do that with a tag trigger, or maybe you can add them directly to an automation. I'm not sure. But if I could do this right now, and then it would wait till Friday, which would be tomorrow at the time of this recording, and I would do this over the next weekend and week. It'd be cool, right? And now it's set up, everything's evergreen. I could just hit go on this at any point in time. I could throw this into different automations if I wanted to, like a nurture sequence for this freebie or that freebie, or whenever I wanted to do it. Now I have this, it's done and finished, and I can use this whenever I want, however I want. I think that's super flexible and powerful. All right. Thank you guys for watching. #YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, I love you. Go check out some of these other videos. I'll link to some on my sales funnel videos, as well as Flowdesk and how I have this ActiveCampaign and Flowdesk setup running. I'll link to those videos in the description and maybe up here somewhere. And that's all I got for you. I hope you have a great day. Adios.